Tracking your heart rate is essential for fitness, health, and performance. In this video, we've rounded up the best heart rate monitors to help you stay on top of your goals, whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or just looking to monitor your health. We upload quality videos daily to bring you the best product recommendations, so if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 1. AliveCor KardiaMobile One-Lead Personal EKG Monitor. From the moment we connected the AliveCor KardiaMobile One-Lean Personal EKG Monitor to the Kardia app, we loved its combination of comfort, ease of use, and accuracy. By placing 2 fingers on the sensors, we were able to detect medical-grade ECGs, electrical signals from the heart indicating various heart conditions, in 30 seconds, with metrics including atrial fibrillation, bradycardia, tachycardia, and normal sinus rhythm. The monitor is small enough to keep in your pocket for use immediately pre- and post-workout, and the EKG history function allows you to track metrics over time and export data to your health apps or general practitioners. The color-coded readings alert you to abnormalities like signs of atrial fibrillation and arrhythmia, which means with each 30-second check, you're not just tracking HR, but also proactively monitoring for serious health conditions. Number 2. KOSPO Rechargeable Chest Heart Rate Monitor. After an initial charge of 1.5 hours and a little fiddling with the chest strap, the KOSPO RealZone H9Z Rechargeable Chest Heart Rate Monitor was comfortable to wear during a variety of workouts. The KOSPO Ride app is geared towards cycling, so we only recommend it if bike workouts are your thing. The simple chest strap design connects with a hook that holds the silicone sensor in place, barring some slight movement during cardio-intense workouts. The simple 5-color LED notification system gives real-time HR zone tracking, red for intense, green for moderate, and blue for low-intensity workouts. Beyond this color code, you can't access information during exercise. All in all, this monitor lacks some of the detailed real-time tracking and advanced features of more expensive options, but the affordable price tag makes it an effective budget choice for measuring HR before and after exercise. Number 3. Polar H10 Heart Rate Monitor. The Polar H10 heart rate sensor was the top-performing chest strap monitor we tried. Throughout testing, we found the real-time ECG/EKG monitoring accurate, and we loved that the ANT Plus connectivity options allowed us to record and track our HR via the free Polar app. You can also broadcast to additional apps, devices, and gym equipment. The firm buckle, soft textile straps, and slip-preventing silicone dots hold the unit in place with zero discomfort, and the 400-hour battery life means there's little chance of mid-workout shutdown. This is a no-fuss HR monitor with no additional bells or whistles, but in terms of accuracy, ease of use, and comfort, it was one of our favorites. It's worth noting. We attempted to use this sensor during a heated Vinyasa yoga class, but it felt uncomfortable in the steamy setting. Also, the device itself doesn't provide any metrics, so you'll have to rely on apps to track your results. Number 4. Polar H9 Heart Rate Sensor. The Polar H9 heart rate sensor is an accessible, accurate chest strap HR monitor that connects to your watch or Peloton seamlessly every time. Once fitted correctly, this device stays in place for more than an hour at a time during low-impact workouts like yoga, strength training, and cycling. We loved how easy it was to connect this sensor to multiple apps and devices via ANT Plus, including a Garmin watch, a Peloton bike, Training Peaks, and Strava. Sharing data with the health app on our phones was also straightforward. The Polar app offers workout tracking and diary functions, which are useful features for newbies who don't yet have their systems streamlined. This combination of reliability, accuracy, and no-fuss connectivity make this monitor our top pick for beginners. After extended periods of high-intensity workouts like running, the strap tends to stretch and slip out of place, so it pays to tighten it before every workout. We also found the strap itchy in some positions, so it might take some trial and error to find the most comfortable fit. Number 5. Wahoo Fitness Tickr Fit Heart Rate Monitor Armband. Definitely one for the cyclists. The The combination of breathable fabric and adjustable Velcro make the Wahoo Tickr Fit heart rate armband a comfortable choice for people who don't like the restriction of chest straps. With the super simple ANT Plus connectivity, you can link with apps like Strava and measure average HR, real-time HR, and max HR data, alongside other metrics like distance and power. A paid subscription allows you to unlock a heap of additional features and metrics.